तो कार्यक्रम को आरंभ करने के लिए मैं अनुरोध करूंगी लोकसभा के महासचिव श्री उत्पल कुमार सिंह जी से कि वो मंच पर आएं और स्वागत भाषण प्रस्तुत करें।
Honorable Vice President of India and Chairman Rajya Sabha, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla ji, Honorable Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Mansukh Mandaviya ji, Honorable Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar ji, Honorable Members of Parliament, Shri Desh Deepak Verma ji, Secretary General Rajya Sabha, Shri Rajesh Bhushan ji, Secretary Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone present here this morning for the program designed for Honorable Members of Parliament by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and the Parliamentary Research and Training Institute for Democracies on the subject of control and management of tuberculosis. The urgency that the nation ascribes to the management and control of tuberculosis can be gauged from the fact that Honorable Vice President of India and Chairman Rajya Sabha, Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, and Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla ji, are both present here today at this sensitization program on tuberculosis. I take this opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to you both, sirs. I also extend a warm welcome to Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Mansukh Mandaviya ji, and Minister of State, Dr. Bharati Praveen Pawar ji, for taking the initiative to have this program organized here. I would like to extend a warm-hearted welcome to all our Honorable Members of Parliament who have always supported such initiatives both here in Parliament and all over the country. I also welcome Shri Desh Deepak Verma ji and Secretary Health and Family Welfare Shri Rajesh Bhushan ji, Additional Secretary Srimati Aarti Ahuja, and officers of the ministry. Tuberculosis is a serious malaise that has afflicted humankind since time immemorial. The disease was considered serious enough to merit mention in the Vedas and other ancient Indian texts. Evidence of this disease has been found in many ancient civilizations the world over. With the advancement of science, whereas modern medicine and treatment regimen have been able to reduce morbidity and fatalities, the battle against the disease is far from over. The event today, therefore, assumes great significance since members of Parliament can and have played a lead role in creating awareness among citizens as also in mobilization of our response to tuberculosis. The Parliament of India has always been highly sensitive about the issues of public concern, and therefore we find more than 1,200 references to tuberculosis in our parliamentary debates, in questions, discussions on demands for grants, committee reports, private members' bills, etc. In fact, way back in 1914, we find a question being asked by the then Honorable Mr. Rama Rayaningar in the Governor General's Council about rise of tuberculosis in Indian jails. More recently, parliamentarians cutting across party lines joined together in their fight against tuberculosis to launch the India TB Caucus in 2017 as an advocacy group for more funding, more comprehensive healthcare services, and better policies to reduce the incidence of TB in India. Ladies and gentlemen, I have no doubt in my mind that tuberculosis can and will be controlled and managed in India with the active support of the union, state, and local governments working in tandem with the Parliament of India so that in not too distant a future, we can proudly declare India as TB Mukt. Welcome once again. Jai Hind.